Yo! Here we go, peeps. Our peep squad, you know, bitch? Yo! We're going for a trip down to our friend's house, bro. You know? Yeah. I feel you. You feel me? Yeah. Bro, I don't stand these damn people, bro. You know? They keep their lights on bright. They want to blind some niggas. I mean, you know? I mean, shit, bro. It's just something real, my man. I don't know, 5-minute drive across town, about 30-minute drive across two spots of town. Yeah, you know, one day I might take you all my fans on a damn, a trip, bruh, around town. But yeah, we're just cruising, bruh. I gotta do some work for people. Yeah, working for some niggas, bruh. Really shit, nigga. Some real nigga shit. You know, my brother Dwayne, my pimp squad. We popping out on that pimp shit. Hit it up on my limp shit. Limp guy, nigga. You know? Hip, nigga. See? Circle K up there. You know? My old teacher's house right there, Mr. Stad. Shit, bro. He was a gym teacher. He worked your ass hard, nigga. He's a cool teacher, though. Yeah. Just going down to a cuz's house. A cuz. You know cuz? Cut on my screw up cuz. Yeah. About 2 minutes away. See? Going down that dark alleyway. Right down there is a dark alleyway. I swear it's the most creepiest alleyway there is. I mean, bruh. Nothing really else to do, nigga. Hey. Besides go to a dark alleyway, nigga. Fuck, nigga. You know? Just on my screw, nigga. Yeah, video while I'm riding, nigga. I like that shit, bruh. Bunny! Oh, she didn't hear me. Alright, here we go. Here we are. My friend Dwayne's house, bruh. Shit. Nice house, though, man. It's a real nice house, bruh. It's a nice house, my man. Yeah, we're here. I'm hitting the short here. I'm hitting the short, my bruh. It's short. Smile, nigga.